Hi everyone, Daniel from LMN here. For this week's tips and tricks, we're looking at some ways to manage your maintenance contract renewals. So let's say it's renewal season and you're starting to wonder which of your maintenance customers are actually going to renew their contract. What I would do in order to get ahead of it is actually go to your estimate list. We can filter this list by date, specifically contract end date right here. I could select next 60 days, click apply, and then change the service status to sold. This allows me to see any proposals that I sold in the past that have an upcoming contract end date. So I can get proactive with the conversations that I have with my customers about renewing their contract. In this case, it's just the one estimate that was sold. So easily enough, I would click into the contact and reach out to them, maybe refer to the communications history to see if there's anything useful there. Another approach is to create custom statuses. So if you were to go into your settings and navigate to statuses, you could create statuses that are specific to renewals. What that would do is it would allow you to use our analytics page, specifically the sales pipeline, to filter the view by renewal statuses. And then you can compare your performance year over year in terms of renewal rates. Now, finally, let's say you do identify a customer that you really want to make sure you speak with a certain amount of time before their renewal comes up. You can create to-dos. So you click into the customer in the CRM, create the to-do, add all the appropriate information here, and make sure to assign it to yourself and set an appropriate date. Once you've done that, you can just send it to your calendar, and that way you'll make sure that you don't forget about their renewal. But that being said, that's it for tips and tricks today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.